Okay, this is lesson 10, part 2. Going back to this problem about the homeowner painting, or actually the painter painting a homeowner's house. The painter said that he needed a minimum of 4 gallons, but a gallon of paint can cover 300 feet squared. So if I need to paint 600, to find how many gallons I need, I'm going to say 609 divided by 300. And I'm going to need 2, because 300 can go into 600 2 times. So I'm going to have a fraction. So I really only need 3 gallons. So the painter's estimation of 4 gallons is too high. So his estimation is 4 gallons, so they would be spending more money at the store than they actually needed, so because they only need 3 gallons. Okay, number 4. Teresa won a gardening contest and was awarded a roll of deer-proof fencing. The fencing is 36 feet long, and she and her husband John discuss how to best use the fencing to make a rectangular garden. They agree they should only use whole numbers of feet for the length and the width of the garden. What are all possible dimensions of the garden? We could go on and list them. I'm only going to do part A. So the fencing goes around, so I'm not working with area. I'm actually working with perimeter. So I need to think of a number that I could add to get to 30, to get all sides to equal 36. So I could do 1 and 1 and 17 and 17. There's one option. So it could be a 1 by 17. I could do, and I'm going to write them on the outside. This is another option. A 2 and a 2 and a 16 and a 16. 2 plus 2 is 4, and plus 16 will give me that 36. So a 2 by 16. I could do 3 by 3, and 3 and 3 is 6, and I have 30 left over, so that would be 15 and 15. And I could go on and on. 9 and 9 and 9 and 9. So I could have a 9 and a 9, and I could have a 15 by 3. This is all real world applications. Okay, number 5. It wants us to write and solve an equation to find the missing value below. Here is the rectangle. They gave us the area. So A equals L and W. Here's my equation. I substitute in what I know. The length is 1.4 W. I have a one-step equation, and we've been working on those. This is attached by multiplication, so I'm going to divide by 1 4/10 on both sides, and this is where your calculator comes in handy. And it is, this cancels out to be 1 3/10. And I could check it. By timesing the 1.3 and the 1.4. And it should give me this 1 82/100. Would be 1.4 times 1.3. And it checks out. Okay, good luck.